elected General Secretary of the City Civil Code Bar Association. Yesterday we took the charge. Immediately we convened the committee meeting. On priority basis, we took this decision of abstaining the court work in view of the brutal attack on our colleague advocate, brother advocate at Padmarao Nagar. His name is Mustafa Ali. So these kind of incidents are morally been defeating the idea of the advocates, and also it is not a good signal to the entire judiciary, because we advocate day in day out work for the common cause of the public interest only. This is a known fact. I don't know why these litigants, instead of helping us, coming together for common justice, are making resorting to such sort of activities. These incidents have been continuing once and again every time. We are seriously condemning this act, and we are demanding, we have already put forth this demand to the government, the then government and also this government of Telangana, to immediately enact the Advocates Protection Act. The reason behind Advocates Protection Act is only to communicate to the entire judiciary and also to the public that there should be protection to the advocates. Unless the advocates are not protected, who are they to give justice to the common public? That is the main reason. Otherwise, we are always friendly to all the litigants, judicial officers and also the brother advocates. Now this kind of attack should not be continued. We are seriously condemning it. Let this be taken on priority basis. Otherwise, we are also planning that all the entire state bar secretaries and presidents, including the bar council members, are called for a joint meeting. We will take a serious action on this aspect, and we will go to the approach the Honorable Chief Minister and also the concerned Chief Ministers, ministers, including our Honorable Chief Justice of Telangana. So we are seriously condemning this, and on this day, on behalf of our Bar Association, being the General Secretary, I am seriously condemning, and basing on this condemnation, we have gone into a rally and also protested this act. This should not be repeated again in the future course of action.
Your people have boycotted the court today?
Yes, we are having intimated to all the judicial officers in a proper due course of manner. We have boycotted, we have abstained the court work, and all the advocate brothers have very well cooperated, including the judicial officers and also the litigant public. Really, we are very thankful to all of them.
The police, what the police has taken the action against the culprits?
No, in fact, because this incident took place very recently, day before yesterday itself, all the other courts have abstained the work. Just because of the handing over ceremony which has taken place yesterday, we were not able to conduct this abstaining of court work yesterday, and we have yet to know what action has been taken by the state police on this aspect. If they have not taken or initiated any action, we will see that we will meet the concerned DGP and take immediate action on the culprits.
We demand Advocate Protection Act. We demand. We demand.